How to copy and paste in Roblox Chat on PC. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll demonstrate how to copy and paste text in the Roblox Chat on PC. So it's a simple process, so follow along closely. In Roblox Chat on PC, you can paste almost anything except images. You can copy and paste large amounts of text and even emojis. And to do this on the PC, first open Roblox and you join any game. It does not have to be a private server, just join any game. Once you're in the game, locate the text you want to send in the Roblox chat and select it by clicking and holding you on the text. Next, press Ctrl+C on your keyboard to copy the highlighted text. Return to the Roblox, open the chat, click to type a message, and after selecting the text box with the click, press Ctrl+V on your keyboard. The text will appear and you can edit it if you wish or simply hit enter to send it. Additionally, you can copy emojis from the websites like the one on the Google by pressing Ctrl+C and paste them in the Roblox chat by pressing Ctrl+V. So I hope this guide on how to copy and paste in the Roblox chat on PC was helpful. If you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.